30 seconds. One time. Right. 120. No traffic. 619 Georgia Avenue, 619 GA. We're taking the 2B. Occupied one time. Taking the 1B. Speed's down to about 75. High traffic. Back on 230. Speed 110. High traffic. We're the wrong way. We're the long way on the service road. Come back up to 9th Street. No traffic. Speeds are 60. Looking around 212. They do have a lane closure or something here. They're forcing everybody off at 9th Street. He's afraid to lose it. He's not very experienced. He's been 40, no traffic. We're the wrong way. We're the wrong way on the service road. Coming back up to 9th Street. We're the wrong way. We're the wrong way on the service road. Coming back up to 9th Street. No traffic. Speeds are 60. We're going around 212.
17 Little Rock, I'm secondary. We're going towards 30 West from 9th. It's a Harley.
Speed 42 right now. Coming up from the Gallon Avenue. Continuing 31.
He can't corner very well. He keeps sparking every time he turns. Passing Roosevelt. Speed's 90.
I gotta fix it. It's gonna be on the older black bill.
Keep him off Roosevelt if you can. Passing Roosevelt.
Hey, wrong. Speed's 93. Traffic light.
Looks like we're going towards 440. Coming up on the south interchange right now. Speed's 85. We're gonna be continuing 30 West. Push him towards the shoulder if you can.
When he slows down again, I'm going to try to box him in.
I'll have, if you get front, I got left side.
He's wobbling pretty hard. 103 is the speed right now. Traffic's still late.
We're coming up on 65th Street. Speed's 101. Traffic's still left.
I think his tire's low. It's one of those off ramps on 630. Speeds are about 58. From the 630, or correction, 98. Go to 630.
Well, get up there, try to help the box.
From the 630, or correction, 98. Go to 630. So I'll get up there trying to help the box. Six or three, we're going to be taking the 135. We're going to be taking the 135. It's the 5th Street now. Continuing back on to 30 West from 62. Never mind, we're continuing back on 30.
Light to no traffic, speed's 100. We just tried to box them in. We're still continuing towards University, 30 West. Get in front of them. We're going the wrong way towards University. Notify LRPD.
14, get in front of them. We're going the wrong way towards University. Notify LRPD. Yep. University. Northbound University on the wrong way, coming up to 65th. One car, he's on the left. On the left, on the left. Y'all back off just a little bit. I'm gonna hit him right here.
Get on the ground! We're going the wrong way
towards University. Notify LAPD. We're going to be northbound University. Got one car. Northbound University on the wrong way, coming up to 65th. One car, he's on the left. On the left, on the left. That's a copy. Oh, just look good. I'm gonna hit him out here. We're going the wrong way towards University. Notify LAPD. We're going to be northbound University. University on the wrong way, coming up 65th.
One car, he's on the left. They're on the left, on the left. Y'all back off just a little bit. I'm gonna hit him right here.
I'm going to shoot you! Driving the wrong way on the fucking I ain't got no good. Yeah, somebody gotta go. I ain't got no good. I ain't got no good. I ain't got no good, man. Don't shoot me, man. I ain't got no gun. I ain't got no magazine, no nothing. Shut up. Here, let's take you to one of ours. Hey, you don't get to drive the wrong way and then bitch whenever you get arrested. Shut up. Shut up. Bitch, shut up. Man. I'm not bitch. Consequences suck, huh? I ain't got no bitches, man. You got out there? I ain't got nothing on me, brother. I ain't got nothing. Y'all talking about I had a gun, I ain't got no goddamn gun. I ain't got no gun, brother. I ain't got nothing, brother. Y'all talking about I had a gun, I ain't got no goddamn gun. You got the right to remain silent. I ain't got no gun. Y'all said I had a gun. Shut the fuck up! Shut up! I ain't got no gun.
Hey, just check his part. Just check his...
Shut up!
Hunter, just check his
Y'all
part.
said I had a gun, I ain't got no gun, brother. I ain't got no gun, I ain't got shit, brother. I ain't got shit on me, brother. I ain't got no gun. I ain't got nothing. Take me, brother. I ain't trying to fight out no name, brother.
I ain't got shit, brother.
Hey, dude, just stop talking.
Y'all said I had a gun. I ain't got no fucking gun, brother. Fuck that. I ain't got no gun.
Get up.
Hey, brother, y'all said I got a gun. I ain't got no gun, brother.
Shut up.
I ain't did. Look, I ain't got no gun, man. Regardless of what y'all say, I ain't got no gun, man. Y'all said I had a magazine. I ain't got no magazine. I ain't got no gun. No, hell no, I ain't got no gun, brother.
We're going to be northbound University.
Got one car.
Northbound University on the wrong way, coming up to 65th.
One car, he's on the left. They're on the left, they're on the left. Y'all back off just a little bit. I'm gonna hit him right here.
Hey, you don't get to drive the wrong way, and then bitch when you get arrested. Hey, bitch, shut up. Oh, sounds like bitching to me. I'm not bitch. Consequences suck, huh? I ain't got no bitches, man.
Lean over.
You got him right there? I ain't got nothing on me, bro. Y'all told me I had to go and I ain't got no goddamn gun.
Down.
I ain't got no gun, brother. I ain't got nothing, brother. Y'all told me I had to go and I ain't got no goddamn gun.
You have the right to remain silent.
I ain't got no gun. Y'all said I had a gun.
Shut the fuck up! Shut up!
I ain't got no gun.
Listen very closely.
Fuck that.
Shut up.
Y'all said I had a gun. I ain't got no gun, brother. I ain't got no gun. I ain't got shit, brother. I ain't got shit on me, brother. I ain't got no gun. I ain't got nothing.
Something else here.
Check me, brother. I ain't trying to fight y'all no nothing, brother. I ain't got shit, brother.
Hey, dude, just stop talking.
Y'all said I had a gun. I ain't got no fucking gun, brother.
Stop talking.
Fuck that. I ain't got no gun.
You're lucky you're still breathing.
Hey, brother, y'all said I got a gun. I ain't got no gun,
Dude,
brother.
shut up.
I ain't did. Look, I ain't got no gun, man. Regardless of what y'all say, I ain't got no gun, man. Y'all said I had a magazine. I ain't got no magazine.
Stop talking.
No, hell no, I ain't got no gun, brother.
Yeah.
Hi, Tyler. Your car lot.